Last 2 weeks, I have been busy filling my sketchbook with nature drawings. I have been taking my uncle to Salt Lake Central Park, a biodiversity park built around an expansive water body. This place is full of greenery, lush green trees dotted with vibrant flowers. It's a haven for birds. Cattle, water hen, kingfishers, and many more visit the park. Scurrying here and there were squirrels, and it was such a pleasure watching them forage. The lake was full of fishes. Some fishes were nearly 3 feet in size. So here's everything I do, taking inspiration from my nature walk. Hope you like it.